Hello everyone, this is my term project for the EEE102 Introduction to Digital Circuit Design course. This is basically a vending machine. It counts money from the infrared sensor, and you can choose the product which you want from the buttons on the basis 3 board, and also you can see the current money from the 7-segment display of the basis 3 board. I also assigned 2 switches, one of them for the total reset and one of them for the dispense of the product. Also you can see the products that you have chosen from the LEDs from the basis 3 boards. And now I'm going to show you how does it work. For example, current money is 6, and when I choose the product 1, it decreases only 1 money, like this. And it also shows the product that I have chosen. And I can dispense the product from this switch. For example, if I want to buy a product which is more expensive, for example, for money, it deducts 4 money from the current money, and it shows the chosen products on the LED in here, and I can dispense the money with this switch. Also, I have a total switch which turns the money to 0. For example, if the money is 4 and if I turn the switch on, everything turns off and goes back to 0 state. Also, I assigned 7 states because I have 7 money. I use 3 bits of logic vector for the money. That's why it counts until 7, and it does not accept more than 7 money. This is my project. After rearranging the pins of the basis board from the constraints file, it is better to show in this way. Let me reset everything, both money and the dispense. This is the infrared sensor. SSD shows the current money. These LEDs are the chosen products, and I have an error LED in here. And also I have 4 products to buy. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and first product costs 1 money, second is 2, third is 3, and fourth is 4. If I have 4 money, for example, and I want to buy the second product, it deducts the money of the chosen product, and you can see dispense product from here is the second LED. And if I turn the switch on, it dispenses the product. And for example, if I want to buy something more expensive than 2 money, for example the product 4 or 3, just let me choose the product 4. It should give an error message to the user, which means that there is no enough money to buy the 4th product. If I press this, the error LED is on and no money has been spent. It stays on the same state. And if I do it again, the error message is gone. And if I want to buy the first product, it gives the first product again. Also, I assigned another switch for the money. For example, if I have a 4 money or something else, and if I turn this switch on, it goes back to 0 state again, which means there is no money. This is the state diagram of the project. I have 4 products. Selection 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the inputs. And I have 4 outputs. Dispense 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you see, these are outputs and these are inputs. I have 7 states since I can count until 7 money. If the sensor detects something, it increments and goes to next state. For example, if I am in the 7th state and I've chosen the third product, the selection, I mean the input is selection 3, and it must dispense the third product, which means the dispense 3. And since I have spent 3 money, it should go to 4th state. As you see, it goes to 4th state. 4th state means I have 4 money. The current money is 4. And if I choose the 4th product, it means the selection is 4 and it should dispense the 4 money. And since I spent all my money, it goes to 0 state in here, which means I have no money at all.